guys, and welcome to Alexi. If you're new here, welcome and subscribe to join the family. And if you find this video useful, kindly hit the like button so that I can keep making videos like this. And also, yeah, let's get on to business. So today I'm going to share with you 6 things I think you should bring to Japan. If you're coming here for the first time, as a tourist, as a student, as a worker, you should bring these things so that you'll be able to live more comfortably within the first few days to months that you'll be here before you acclimatize, especially if you do not know how to speak Japanese. The first thing is an open mind. Is an open-minded thing. Is an open-minded thing. Is an open-minded thing. Is an open-minded thing. Yes. Yes it is. Yes it is. Yes it is. Please. Coffee. It's been so long since I sang in that way. Yes, but an open mind is a thing. Okay, please. I think it's the most important thing you should bring. Bringing an open mind means being ready to absorb and immerse yourself into the new environment and culture, enjoying the experiences around you, eating the great food, enjoying the serene environment, especially if you find yourself in the more rural parts, which are also equally very beautiful, even though most people prefer bigger cities like Tokyo and Osaka and stuff, but other places in Japan are also very nice, guys. So if you are coming here, be ready to enjoy the experience of being in Japan. Okay, and if you are lucky and you get a Japanese friend or some friends, it's possible they would invite you to events that will involve Japanese culture, like the tea ceremony and stuff. Please go. Tea ceremony is basically meeting to drink matcha and then sweets, but it's not just about the tea, guys. It's not just about the tea. So if you find yourself in Japan, make sure that you enjoy this particular ceremony. It has depth. Okay, so the next thing you should bring to Japan is money. Yes, money makes the world go round. Am I correct or wrong? I think so. Yeah, actually money solves a lot of problems, and if you are coming here for the first time, even if you are on scholarship, it is advisable to carry some money with you so you can cover immediate expenses, because most of the time the scholarship may come later in the month. So it's better to carry some money along. For about a month, having $1,000 should be enough if you live frugally and you don't travel in the first month if you are a student. But I think that you should try to carry as much money as you can. And make sure that your money is in the major currencies like the US dollars, the euro, pounds, so that you can easily change them. Also, the best place to exchange your money is the airports. Most of the time, it's at the airports in Japan. As in, if you come through Narita Airport or Osaka Kansai Airport, it's better to exchange your money at the airport before you go to the next destination, because it's most likely that you need to use the money for transport and stuff, and you also get the best rates at the airport. So and yes, another thing, at the airport you can also get data SIMs for internet connection until you finally decide on which kind of internet service provider you will use and which kind of mobile service that you use. It's better to look for a data SIM at the airport. Otherwise, you can also do it in advance. You can check online and then do that in advance before you come. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and then subscribe so that I can keep on making videos like this. Okay, and to support me, to show your support. Okay, click the subscribe button. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Have you clicked it? Okay, thank you very much for clicking the subscribe button. As I have just spoken about the data SIM and stuff, please be sure that your phone is in a global version, so that it can be compatible. Make sure that your phone is not SIM locked to a particular network from your native country. Yeah. And the next thing, personal items. Be sure to bring the personal items that you use in your country, at least in an amount that you can use for up to a month if you are going to stay here for longer. Yeah, until you find your way around the place, until you find places so you can get products that you can use. Yeah. For me, when I was coming, I brought my own deodorant and antiperspirant. Yeah, and I've been using it. I still use them. Yeah. And guys, there's this story time. I know we are deviating here, but there's this thing. You know, when I came to Japan in the first month, everything was fine. And when I was coming, I actually brought my own. In my country, I was using Vaseline light hydrating jelly, aloe fresh. So this is what I was using. You can even see that when I came, I used it for some time, and I realized that, guys, it was not working for my skin. My skin started cracking and becoming dehydrated. I didn't know why. So I had to find another product, not so far from the Vaseline. So the other product I found was Vaseline Advanced Repair, and it's also a deep moisturizing cream. So this is what I've been using since I stopped using my Vaseline. Actually, I stocked up on Vaseline when I was coming, because I thought this is what I had been using for more than a year, and I wasn't ready to change it, but because of the state of my skin, I had to change it to this, and so far it has been working. Okay, so bring your own personal items. And then also, if you use specific shampoos in your hair, especially, you see, for us, for example, for people like me who have this natural hair, we use specific conditioners and shampoos and some creams. Please bring those products. At least bring enough for some time, for an extended period of, at least, even if you can bring enough for a year, it's good, until you find a place where you can get. Okay, you can actually get some online, but they are more expensive. So if you can bring enough for your stay, you should do so. Okay, if you can bring enough for your stay, you should do so. And if you use particular toothpaste, and if you have a different shade of skin, which is quite different from the Japanese, because you know they are white, and most of the products here are made for lighter skin. So if you are a darker skin like me or more, it will be better to bring your own makeup, since you might not get the shades in the market, because the number of darker skinned people here are quite low. Yeah, but you can actually get some of the makeup online. Again, it may be relatively expensive, so if you can stock up on that before coming, bien. Yeah, so what have I spoken about? Extensions. Yes, so extensions. If you also use extensions and you wear wigs and stuff, at least stock up on about 3 or 4 that you will be using until, as I said, for an extended period. It's good to bring such stuff so that at least you'll be covered during the time that you are here. Yeah. So the online shops that I usually buy some stuff are Amazon and then AliExpress. So I just compare the price, and if I check which one is affordable. Yeah, but they are both good. Even though AliExpress, it normally takes longer, and Amazon, usually if you buy from Amazon Japan, it's quite, most of the time in 2 days you get your item if you are on Prime. Yeah, so generally those are the personal items you should bring. Okay. And then also, you should bring first aid meds. For example, it took 18 hours in flight for me to get here. 18 good hours, imagine. And for me, for my flight, it was a transiting flight, so I had to wait in Amsterdam for 8 hours before coming. Yeah, so I actually spent a lot of time not really sleeping well, and I had some headaches, but I had a first aid with paracetamol, so I took that when I came. Yeah, and depending on, actually it depends on which parts of the world you are coming from, so but just have the a first aid kit, something small that has emergency items, okay? And if you deworm, if in your country, for example, in my country, it's normal to deworm yearly, yeah, so if you do that, it's good to stock up on some dewormers, but check the expiry date, okay? So if you are going to stay for 2 years, you can just bring 2 dewormers, yeah, just to, if that's something you normally do, please buy dewormers before you come, okay? And then the next thing, beginner vocabulary. Please, you should be able to say Ohayo, or Ohayo gozaimasu, or konnichiwa, or sumimasen. Okay, so Ohayo gozaimasu, that's good morning. Konnichiwa, good afternoon, or hello. Konnichiwa, hello. Konnichiwa, good afternoon. And sumimasen, this word is quite versatile. Sumimasen. So first, sumimasen. If you want someone to excuse you, you can use sumimasen. If you mistakenly step on someone's toe, you can say sumimasen to mean sorry, okay? Or if you want to call someone, excuse me, please, hello, you can also say sumimasen. So at least know these 3 vocabulary. Let's go through it again. Konnichiwa, Ohayo, sumimasen. And the bonus tip I have for you is to bring foods and snacks you like from your country. First, bring snacks or souvenirs from your country for new friends that you meet here. Most people are very grateful when they receive items from your country, and it shows that you are thoughtful, okay? So bring such stuff, and then bring foods that you like. For me, I like fufu, so I brought powdered fufu. But unfortunately, I also like banku, but I did not bring that. I didn't know what I was thinking. So because of that, for a whole year, I have not eaten banku. Yeah, for a whole year, I have not eaten banku. So if you are coming, bring your favorite foods from your country. Gari, shito. And actually for me, I still have shito in my fridge from last year. I have been here for a year and 3 months, guys. I still have shito. So what I did was I prepared my shito, and then I put them, oh, it's not coming out. I took out the oil from the top, put it in Ziploc bags, and then packed it into this container. So immediately I got to Japan, I froze them. So anytime I want to use the shito, I just defrost some parts. Yeah. So guys, that's it. These are the things I think you should bring to Japan if you are coming here for the first time. If you found this, like button and then subscribe so that I can keep on making videos like this, okay? Yeah, and to support me, to show your support, okay? Click the subscribe button. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Have you clicked it? Okay, thank you very much for clicking the subscribe button. And then also see you in the next video, okay? If you have any things that you want to know about Japan, about being here, you can let me know down in the comment section. We can also discuss other things you think. If you have any ideas of other things that people should bring when they are moving to a foreign country or moving to Japan. Thank you, and then see you in the next one.